So this is supposed to be all bright and shiny and clean inside. This would normally be a brass silver color, and you could see it's all burnt and hot, and you could see a lot of carbon dust down inside there, and you could see all the dust accumulation inside. This unit is only about 3 years old, and it already took a dump, and so I am replacing it with this, and it's my first time using one of these, and I really hope I don't regret it, because what I normally would do, I'd go out of my way and buy a outrageously overrated contactor to put in place of the OEM that costs about 4 or 5 times as much, so I don't have this problem again. And I'm gonna try this and see how the life of one of these will stand up. I'm not into, I definitely stood away from these things for years because they didn't prove themselves at first to me, and now they've been out. I have seen failures posted on YouTube, especially in the beginning when they first came out with these, and so I definitely steered clear of them, and I'm about to give one of these my first chance. So I'll give you an opinion back after 2 or 3 years, and let's see if it can last, at least better than the OEM. All right.